Supporting local businesses and communities is something we all wish we could do more of, but it can be very tricky. Using online search results can be daunting. Most of us don't make it past the first page, especially when we don't find what we're looking for. Townshare makes supporting our local businesses and communities much easier by bringing them all together on one easy-to-use platform. Hi, I'm Nick Marziel, founder of Townshare. My passion for business and community, especially local, pushed me to go on a quest to find what local business is truly about. My ongoing journey for purpose and meaning in the business world provided me with great experiences meeting business owners, employees, customers, and the people of the communities they set up shop in. It was these experiences that led me to create Townshare. Townshare is a nationwide community and people-driven digital platform designed specifically to showcase our wonderful local and regional businesses along with the communities that support them. It's a special marketing tool and a safe place where local businesses and communities can get together, put a spotlight on themselves, share stories, and grow without worrying about competing against the constant noise of the internet for your attention.
It just opens up my business to more people knowing what we do. We're a doggy ice cream bar, first and foremost, and bakery, but we do have so much more. And I do have people come in the door every day that say, oh my gosh, I had no idea you were gonna have these chew treats or that food or shampoo. And I think Townshare is a great place to have those type of resources at your fingertips.
Townshare allows businesses and social communities to create searchable profiles, providing them a clean space where people can easily find and engage with them. This personal engagement is the important foundation of our local businesses and communities, and what separates them from the traditional impersonal, cookie-cutter corporate chains. It's free to create a profile, so encourage your favorite local businesses and communities to register at townshare.com and log in to create a community of your own that is close to your heart to share with others.